Hello everyone, today we are going to do the unboxing for the Dell Vostro 3468 14-inch laptop. So let's begin with the unboxing. So while I open up the box, let's see the specifications. So this laptop is powered by 7th Gen Core i3 processor, 4 GB RAM, 1 TB internal storage, Windows 10 Home. I think it's Home, but it says Windows 10 in the box. Windows 10 and integrated graphics. So let's so let's open up the box and see what's inside. First we have the power cord. Next up we have the charger, power brick, which is 45 watt, quite compact. This is some packaging stuff, and some cardboard here. And finally we have the laptop itself. Along with some quick start guide. We have something more inside, something else inside. We have the safety and regulatory information and the installation disk. So these are the contents of the box. Let's try to remove it from its plastic cover. The first thing I will be able to notice is when I touch it for the first time, it's going to get a lot of fingerprints. So let's try to open it up. We have the protective thing for this laptop. Before I try to boot it up, let's get to the physical overview. So on the left side we have the charging port, we have the Ethernet or LAN port, we have some vents, we have the VGA port, we have the HDMI port, HDMI out, and we have two USB 3.0 ports. On the right side we have the SD card reader, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, another USB 3.0, and we have the DVD drive, surprisingly. Opening up the device, on the top we have the VGA camera and an LED light along with the microphone. Below the display we have the keyboard where the numpad is missing since this is a 14-inch laptop, and we have the trackpad here with the left and right buttons, and we also get a fingerprint scanner on the right end of the device here. I hope it has some charge, so let me try to boot it up. We have the power button here. So I don't think it has any charge, so I'll charge it up and come back. In the physical overview, I forgot one thing. On the front we have this LED indicator or light indicator, which indicates when you switch on the device or put it to charge. So let me try to boot this device up. I don't think it boots. Yeah, it boots up. So I think we'll have to run through the setup. I'll skip through the process and go to the setup. So we are just a few moments away from starting the setup. So the setup has started.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
So I'll disable the
Your region is set to India.
voice control for now. I'll run through the setup. Select English India for the keyboard. If you are outside India, you can select the keyboard according to your region. I'll skip this for now. Here the license agreement. I'm going to skip for now. You can set up the Wi-Fi if you want. So the device wants me to set up my fingerprint, which I'm not going to do for now, so I'll skip for now. I'll choose yes for Cortana. I'll accept. So I'll be back after setting this device up. So I have finished setting up the device. So let's go to settings. Takes quite some time to launch the settings. I don't know why it's not launching. I have clicked settings numerous times, but it doesn't seem to launch. At last it is launched. So let's go to system, about, so as you can see, this is the Dell Vostro 14 3468 3468 model. It runs on Windows 10 Home single language. It has Core i3 7100U CPU at 240 GHz, just 4 GB of RAM, and it is an 64-bit based processor. I mean x64 based processor. So no pen or touch input is available for this display. So that is there. I hope I'll be reviewing this device and posting a separate video for the review. If I happen to post the review, I'll be doing benchmarks and other things in the review. So that's it for now for this unboxing video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up down below, or if you hated it, you can also give a dislike button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.